Hello everyone. Customer states that the front camera on this iPhone 15 Pro has weird spots on the image. I don't know if you can see them, but there is two bluish circles on the image. The cause of this defect is a burn on the camera sensor, which is a consequence of an infrared light that hit the sensor. Nowadays, it's very common to have infrared light all around us, as the new technology in cars and other electronics use infrared sensors more often. I know I showed you previously a camera replacement on an iPhone 14 Pro. Some cameras had issues focusing correctly. In this video I will not be applying any physical pressure, so we don't have the focusing issues. You can do the same for iPhone 14 Pro, so we'll call this an update onto that method. Look, we are learning. This is the beauty of this profession. Just a reminder, sometimes the phone needs a restore to get the new camera to work. So if you turn on the camera and it shows a black screen, try a restore, or if you have a lot of information, an update is enough to get the camera working. If it's still not showing image, the new camera may be damaged or not connected correctly. So, all good, and now we are ready to start our transplant procedure. Yes, transplant, as in organ transplant. So what we are gonna do is to cut the camera out of the frame module. And don't forget to cover the Face ID module not to accidentally damage the infrared camera lens. Don't worry about the metal shavings. Just cover the camera lens all around and it will protect it from them. The main thing, don't rush. Take your time, and after you cut the metal brackets, apply pressure to the edges of the camera to pry it from the module, as the camera sensor is in the middle and you can crack it easily. Do the same for the donor camera. Work the Dremel from inside out. That way you have less percentage of damaging the flex. Here is the most important is the camera itself, as we don't give a, well, you know what we don't give a for the donor parts. So cover the flex cables so to not damage the data lines, and end up repairing two cameras instead of one. Well, if you missed which one is the donor and which one is the original, well, you're not alone. While watching the video, I did too. The important thing is that it all works out in the end, I think. Add super glue to the spot where the camera will go, and start aligning it to fit as it should. You should do it fast as the glue dries fast, and then let it sit for a few minutes to dry perfectly. Okay, let's see if we installed the correct camera to the correct Face ID module. Well, yes, thank God. The video is a success, I guess. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below. Or you can contact me through the links in the description and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.